In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 5 reasons why a DBA, also known as a doing business as, may be a huge benefit to your LLC. Hey, so you probably clicked on this video because you want to learn whether or not a DBA, also known as a doing business as, may benefit your business. This video is right for you. Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm from Olai Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without having to deal with the complicated legal forms. Our done-for-you service is backed by over 2,044 5-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business too. I am a recent law graduate. I am currently waiting for my bar results. And in the meantime, I'm helping entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses. Let's go ahead and talk about the 5 reasons a DBA may benefit your LLC. When someone files a DBA, it's normally circulated in some kind of newspaper. It lets the community know exactly who is behind a business. The first reason why a DBA may benefit your LLC is because you can operate multiple businesses. For LLCs or corporations, a DBA will let you operate more than one business without having to form a separate LLC or corporation for each one. Let's say you have 3 different businesses. One is in real estate, one is in repairs, and one is in transportation. While it is advised that you create 3 different LLCs for these 3 separate types of businesses in order to protect yourself from personal liability for each one, you can use a DBA to create 3 DBA or fictitious names for each individual business. So in this case, you would be able to open a DBA. So in this case, you would have one LLC and you would be able to open one DBA for the transportation business, one DBA for the repair business, as well as one DBA for the real estate business. Whether this will benefit you depends on your specific situation. This will cut down on expenses as well as paperwork if you are in the business of operating more than just one business. The second reason why a DBA may benefit your LLC is because DBAs keep your business compliant. If your business is an LLC or corporation, you enjoy certain protections. However, these protections may be invalidated if you're operating under a different name and didn't file for a DBA. Say for example, Bob signed a contract under the name Building Bricks. However, that contract may not hold up in court if Bob used the name Building Bricks to enter into a contract if Bob did not have a DBA. The third way a DBA may benefit your business is if you want a creative or distinctive company name. Many companies give their businesses a name that matches the product or service they provide. I mean, who can blame Elon Musk for naming his business after pioneering engineer Nikola Tesla? But if they had started with Elon's electric cars, it's likely they could have used a DBA to continue running their original businesses with their new and improved names. Again, having a DBA reflect your business is something that may attract clients to you. It may build your credibility as well as your authority in the field that you partake in, whether that be the online space, whether that be retail space, whether that be restaurant space. Creating a DBA that reflects your business and having your LLC operate under that DBA may provide you with a reputation that you wouldn't want to miss out on. The fourth way a DBA may benefit your LLC is if you're in the process of wanting to capture a different market under a new domain name. For example, online sales can be huge for any business. Rather than trying to make one website be everything to everyone, you can segment your online market by filing DBAs for different subsets of products or services. Maybe you have product in beauty line. Maybe you have products for linen. Maybe you have products for kitchenware. Having a DBA will allow you to segment your online market, will allow you to segment these different types of niches. This way, you can create websites specifically targeting customers with different needs. You can have as many fictitious names as you like, within reason, all under one business roof, such as an LLC. Now, the fifth reason why a DBA may benefit you as an LLC owner is that it allows you to stake a claim on your business name. So when you file a DBA, you're also announcing the name you've chosen to the world by putting it on the public record. In some states, a DBA filing doesn't prevent another business from registering the same name, but it's worth checking if that's the case in your state. It could save a lot of problems later. If you're still not sure if doing business is right for you, if you're wondering whether a DBA is advantageous for your business, consult an attorney who can help you walk through the possible benefits a DBA may offer you. Now, to sum it all up, again, it all depends on your situation. It all depends on whether or not anything discussed in this video is something that applies to you. If you have one LLC but you have different sort of business niches, you can use a DBA for each separate niche, but it is advised that you create and you set up an LLC for each business. Doing so will allow you to be protected from personal liability. So say for example, you have one LLC and you have 3 DBAs under that LLC. If any one of those businesses gets sued, all businesses will be tied up with that single lawsuit. That's why it's important that you separate it out. But again, depending on your situation, I do advise that you speak with an attorney in order to determine how a DBA will provide you with benefits for your LLC. If you happen to have any questions about anything that I discussed today, click the link in the description box below to book your free consultation with a trained professional who can determine for you whether a DBA will benefit you in your situation and you as an LLC owner. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise.